911, what's your emergency?
Hi, someone just broke into my house.
What's your address?
22851 Loumont.
What's the street name?
Sunshine.
What is the street name?
Loumont.
Spell it.
Loumont.
What city are you in?
Lake Forest.
What makes you think someone broke into your home?
I heard it.
Okay, where did you hear it coming from?
I think from the window in the front.
What did you hear?
A loud crash.
Okay, did someone come in?
Yes.
Someone's inside your house?
Yes.
Where are they at now?
I'm not sure.
Is that a house or an apartment?
A house.
Okay, I have 22851 Loumont in Lake Forest, correct?
Yes.
Correct. Are you home alone?
No, my boyfriend's here with me.
Where's he at?
He's here.
Can you see him?
No, he's hiding.
He's hiding?
Yeah.
Where's he hiding?
We're hiding. He's hiding in the closet. I'm hiding in the bathroom.
Okay, is it a one-story house or a two-story house?
One story.
Okay, do you have a pool in your backyard?
Use your hands! Get on the fucking door! Get down! Get down! On the fucking floor! On the floor! 4-6... On the ground! Now! Now! 4-6-2-1 gunpoint. Hands up! Throw that! What do you have on your hands? Put it down! Subject looks like she has a handgun. Let me see your hands! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the gun! You need to put your spotlights on her. Spotlights. Stay on her. Put it down.
Holding a female. She's holding a handgun. 464 copy. A female holding a handgun.
Anybody on rifle?
6 around.
Here, let me. Can you cover me? I don't want to. Come on, I'm gonna run to the back of my car. Go. You guys have a better visual. Put the gun down. Yeah, go ahead and start. Yeah, put the gun down. Put the gun down. Put the gun down! Shots fired. Shots fired.
462 copy. Shots fired.
461. Yeah, hey, come over here with me, man. Come in. Come here. Moving. All right, secure. I'll get that. Stop moving! Do not move! Shit.
Hey,
you have a nice back here?
Can you guys up?
Do not move! It's tough. Yep. Start chest compressions.